Hi, and welcome to AJ's Customs. The video you're about to watch was filmed probably like 5 or 6 months ago, but I'm moving all of the videos that I did stuff to my car, like my wheels, my exhaust, my wing, my badging, all of that. I'm moving that from my main channel to this channel, so that gets more prioritized towards my vlogging channel, and everything that I do to my car or any vehicle, maybe this, maybe my car, maybe something else, will be here on this channel. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see y'all next time. Deuces. Well, today I thought I was going to be filming me putting on my new bypass valve for my car, but I ordered a bypass valve and got an oil cap. I ordered the bypass valve from American Muscle. I called customer support and they said that they shipped the bypass valve directly from C&L. Well, I didn't get that. I got this oil cap right here. This great little oil cap that doesn't even fit my car, so that's nice. But called customer returns, they said they're gonna fix it. So instead of filming putting on my bypass valve, I'm gonna be putting on this badge that I got. So I'm gonna be doing a deck lid removal, badge removal, and I'll put the badge on, and there will be holes there, but I'm in auto body school, so I'm just gonna fill the holes when I have school next, so fix that. Stop. Now let's get this. This is the badge unboxed. I ordered this from Late Model Restorations, or LMR. It's a big, hefty badge. I didn't think it was going to be this big. Comes with a bunch of different ways to mount it to the grill and or the trunk. This nice boosted badge here that's going to be going in place of this one. Like I said, I'm at an auto body school. I'm going to fill the holes when I have school next, but this is for demonstrations. So let's get this deck lid off. So what you're going to do is when I open your trunk, ignore the mess, take off these two plates that sit there, these two plates that sit up in these corners, and get, well, I'm going to use a 9/32 tiny wrench to get these off. So let's do that. Just going to take all 4 of these nuts out. Make sure you get these out and don't let them fall anywhere, because these are tiny itty bitty bolts. You will lose those. This is two down, 2 to go. Ooh, that's all 4 out. And now that we have that loose, I think that this is just clipped in place. So you just kind of work it off. I think I don't want to break it, but I don't see anything else. Let me take these little nubs off and see if there's anything under this. No, just clips. I don't know, maybe you have to pull it out. I don't want to break this. This is nerve-wracking. I'll get back to you here in a minute when I figure out how to get this off. Okay, I finally got it off. It's these little clips that hold it on, and you might have trouble getting them off. I did, and it was not fun, but they're off. I didn't break it, which is great. I'm just gonna take like a screwdriver or something, and this is the back of the emblem back here, and take a screwdriver or something and just work on these and try to get them hollowed out and knock the emblem out, and then I'll lay the new one, and I'll get back to you when I do. Okay, so in order to get the pony emblem off, these four right here, not this one, but these four, you have to either scrape them off, melt them off, or you need to drill them out, which is what I did. And when you drill them out, if you press through it all the way with like a screwdriver or something and flip it over, the emblem should just pop right off. Now, there's gonna be these 4 holes, all right? Like I said, I'm gonna fill them, get rid of them, but for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and mount this badge, which covers 2 of the holes, but I'm gonna find center and mount the badge on there. Should look something like that. Obviously, I'm gonna wipe off the deck lid, get it all done. But for testing purposes, these 2 holes are gonna be left, but it'll be fine. They'll be filled tomorrow. So I'll get you back when I have this wiped off. Okay. I have a tape measure laid out here. It may not look like it, but I have it right here on the edge. It's like 33 and 7. It's like 33 and 3/4. So it's like a little under 17, which is middle. But the badge should go somewhere right about there. Look at that. So let me set you guys down right here and get this badge all nicely aligned. Peel the backing off when you buy or order this. So I just realized that my phone shut off during that last clip, so that's nice. But I got the badge mounted. Looks real nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the car. I probably won't film it because my phone's getting pretty low, but I will show you guys the end result. Oh yeah, look at that. That is what I call a success. Just stand here right here in front of the sun. I like that. I like that a lot. And once my wing and tail lights come in, it's gonna be great. I wanna thank y'all for watching another video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully I can get my bypass valve in, I can do that video, but I got wing and tail lights coming and gonna do a couple other things, but hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Deuces.